Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for checking back into the channel. I just wanted to do a quick comparison between the sound from the 1250 kit and the sound from the stock 883 kit with the stage 1 kit. All right, so here's the bike. And I didn't put it in neutral. Alright, so the bike is now in neutral. This is the Power Vision, the DynoJet Power Vision. Hopefully we get some good audio. Automatically right there, you can tell that there's just a lot more vibration. That was that. To me it sounds way different. I don't know if you guys could tell. I'll throw up another clip here, but that's basically the video showing you guys the difference between the 1250 kit and the 883 kit in terms of sound.